Let's disassemble this 1.8 turbo. This engine had low compression on cylinder 1. After some testing, it looks like piston ring failure. To access pistons, we need to lift the head first. I start by removing all the pulleys, timing belt and timing belt tensioner. Next I completely remove the turbocharger, remove the intake and valve cover. After that I loosen all camshaft cap bolts and carefully remove all the caps so I can take out both cams. Then I wiggle free this camshaft chain tensioner and carefully unscrew in correct sequence all the head bolts. Only then I can fish out those head bolts and finally remove the cylinder head.